And welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 7 Prepare SPA. So, project description is the OSIS SPA services and full range of the services to the traditional alternative message and traffic the SPA open. Save the days to the SPA managers would like to workbook allow the summarize compare to sales and the service to the days to the SPA and open. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we move to the main project step. So step number one is start Excel, download and open the Excel file name Excel chapter 7 prepare SPXLS, and your name will automatically be added to the start of the file name and save the file to location where you are storing your data file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file Excel chapter 7 prepare SPA. So we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is grouping the worksheets allows you to perform the certain task once and have those tasks to affect the same calls for all worksheet in the group, and you want to group the three worksheets to add the formatting and formula which will make to the workbook more useful, and group the asterisk malt and nice worksheets and change the tab color to light blue from the standard color. Group the three worksheets nice malts and nice. Group the worksheets and change the tab color to the light blue standard color row. Right clicks and go to the tab color and go to the blue and click light blue the light blue. So question number 2 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is with the with grouped worksheets you can enter text on all sheets within the group at one time. With the worksheet still group in a cell A25, type a total. So copy the title and paste the title in a cell A25 with the group worksheet and still the group. Go to the Excel worksheets and go to the cell A25. So select the cell is A25 and paste the title is total and press enter. Worksheet will still group in the cell A25 type total. So question number 3 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is with the worksheet group you can also enter the formula and function on all sheet with the grouping at a one time. With the worksheets still a group in a cell E7, type is equal to C7 multiplied D7, and copy the formula through cell range E7 to E24 in the cell F7, type is equal to E7, in F8 type is equal to F7 plus E8, and copy the formula through cell range F8 to F24 and group the worksheets. With the worksheet group you can also enter the formula function on all sheet within the grouping at a one time, and with the worksheet still group in the cell E7, go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is E7 E7 and type is equal to C7 multiplied by D7. Type is equal to and C7 multiplied by D7. C7 multiplied by D7 and press enter. So the result is 62.50. And next is C7 multiplied by D7. And next is copy the formula through cell range E7 to E24. So copy the formula E7 to E24. E7 to E24. E7 to E24. Next is in a cell F7 type is equal to E7. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is F7 and type is equal to E7. So type is equal to E7 and press enter. Press enter. F7 type is equal to E7 and F8 type is equal to E7 plus E8. Select the cell as F8. And the cell is F8 and type is equal to F7 plus E8. Press enter. Next is copy the formula through cell range F8 to F24. So copy the formula F8 to F24. So copy the formula F24 to F8 to F24. So question number 4 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is fill across the worksheets is a command that can be used to copy all the content, format or both contents and format to worksheet in a group. The source and destination worksheets must will be included in the group on the est worksheet in a cell range C25 to E25. Go to the est worksheets and ungroup the worksheets and go to the est worksheets and in a cell range C25 to E25. So copy the range and paste the range center. So select the range C25 to E25. Use the sum function total cell range C7 to E24. So type is equal to and type the sum function. The sum function C7 to E25 and group the worksheets. Copy the content across the worksheet, Mart and Nexus worksheets. C7 to E24 and press enter, and copy the formula C5 to E25 25 and group the yeast, malt and nices worksheets, type is equal to and type the sum function, copy the range C7 to C24 and press enter, copy the formula C7 to E20 25. So question number 5 is the complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, by grouping the worksheets you can apply the cell formatting to multiple worksheets at once, and if necessary group the each through nice worksheets, apply the cell style A5 to the cell range A6 to F6, and apply the total cell style to the cell range C25 to A25 and ungroup the worksheets. So the group the is through nice worksheets, group the three worksheets, and apply the cell style A5 in range A6 to F6. Copy the range and paste the range center. So select the range and apply the cell style 5. Cell style A5. So go to the home tab, go to the cell style group and apply the A5 cell style. Apply the A5 cell style. Apply the A5 cell style and apply the total cell style to the range C25 to E25. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter, C25 to E25 and apply the total cell style. Go to the home tabs and go to the style group and click the total cell style and group the worksheet. Right click and click the ungroup the worksheet. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, filling format across worksheet is like filling content across the worksheet, but only the formatting is applied on the east worksheets in the range cell range E7 to F24. Fill the formats across the malt and message worksheet and ungroup the worksheet. Filling format the cross worksheet is filling the content across but only formatting, and E7 to E5, E7 to F24. Select the range E7 to F24 and fill the formats across the mud and ashes. And fill the format across the analysis worksheets. Go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the fill. And the group the worksheets. So group the three worksheets. Go to the home tabs and go to the editing group, the front, and click the across worksheets. And across worksheets, fill the format across malt and analysis worksheets. In the only formatting worksheet. So click the format and click OK. Select the only formats and ungroup the worksheets. Right click and click the ungroup the worksheets. Question number 7 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses.